coming down the Sunday market with my buddy Tony, showing him around the rural northern Thai scene. First stop was going to be doing some errands for my wife and buying some vegetable seedlings, so let's go and see what we've got. Best to do that early in the morning before they all disappear, or before the best ones disappear. 3 different types, I got 10 of each, and she every lot she picked up, she added like 3 or 4 more. Free she was pointing out each time, so that was that, and that's normal, that's quite normal. So
Nice.
but just careful picking out the best ones. Yeah. But now we're just looking for coffee, and there's a place down here that makes the most amazing coffee, but he's hard to find. This place is such a maze, it's really difficult to remember exactly where they are. There's not really many landmarks or anything, so kind of tricky. And I don't come here that often, but oh, maybe that building there, it might be just behind there. We'll go and have a look. But there's no rush, we're not in a hurry, so we'll just find it when we can.
Americano hot
ครับ
Okay
2 shot and same
2 shot
2 shot 2 cup
Okay 2 แก้ว
2 แก้วครับ
Because I always stop here, and he knows now. He knows
Oh, yeah, I
what
heard
like.
him.
Yeah,
I heard him
It's like,
look at you
yeah,
and say Americano.
yeah. And so just then talk and say, hey, we want 2 the same, please. So 2 strong Americanos. Yeah, I've never seen these machines anywhere else.
I've heard of them.
Yeah,
I don't.
but it's very, very intentional as a whole process. It's like almost like it's your coffee ritual, isn't it?
Absolutely.
It really is.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it was good coffee.
It really is. It's my favourite place. I mean, I don't go out a lot for coffee, like I told you, but
Right.
This has become the place that I enjoy going for coffee the most. I don't go that often, once a month at most, I guess. Mind you, just lately I've been a few times. Hunter and I went a little while ago, and going to get the seedlings for the vegetables and bits and pieces. But we really never spend much at all at this market. But sometimes we'll go with like a list of stuff that we need, more than just the seedlings. But we'll find other bits and pieces. But usually, definitely go for a coffee and something to eat. So normally I'm not leaving the house before I've had a coffee and something to eat. But when I go to the market, I get there a little bit earlier, go and have a good coffee and some pork buns. Like the pork buns.
Pork buns.
I've been around to a few different pork bun places at the market, but this guy's my man.
They were fantastic.
They were really good, eh? Just,
and was it a little piece of the color right there in the middle? Was that egg or was that?
Oh, possibly. I'm not sure actually.
Yeah.
But just it would because some of them might have beans in them or taro or something else, and so they have.
And sometimes they have like indicator,
like a
of the food that's in it.
marker of what's in there.
cup and clap.
And they were great.
That's alright.
Tasty and always just really fresh. And some of them you buy them with especially mass-produced ones from maybe a franchise. They've got only a tiny little bit of meat in them.
Oh, sure.
But this guy
Sure.
does a good job. Lovely smile and a nice chat. So yeah.
Okay, which way do we walk, dude? Come on down here. Yeah, I love the variety at this market. It's really cool. There's always plenty to see, and like I said, I get lost wandering around here. There's bits of it that I still see after coming here for off and on for 7 years. Yeah, there's still little areas where I find that, have I been here before? Have I seen this before? I don't know, but it's a little bit. There's no real landmarks. There's these beautiful big trees, and they're just gorgeous. They're really pretty. And like I said to you yesterday, I thought we might hear a bunch of cicadas, because the cicadas come in these trees, but it must still be too cool for them. So which is kind of nice, because it's really in the hot season when the cicadas are about. It's really, really noisy here. It's amazing. Checking out the hardware and the knives. Look at the range of knives.
Working knives.
Yeah. It's like you'll get all the farmers, all our neighbours, they'll have one of these stuck in the back of their, in between the bar and the back of their motorcycle seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the most common tool for northern Thai farmers, or probably Thai farmers all over the country, is to have a knife. But they're all,
What do they call
Yeah.
these? Do they have a name for them?
Oh.
Or just kind of.
the
Just a big old
generic
knife.
word is meat is knife.
Okay.
But there's probably different names for different ones. But yeah, some of them are got a hook like that, or then different.
Sharp
So the
other
back
side.
end are blunt,
Yeah.
and that front edge is the sharp edge. And then just straight ones and curved ones, and I guess you've got your preference, or they use
The Chevy style.
must be used for
Scythe.
like something really specific to have that hook on it and the shape.
Yeah.
So, and then others have got holes in them and stuff. So
Hanging up.
and they're locally made. And the steel is usually from the springs of wrecked cars,
Oh, really?
because it's already hardened.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. And you can get these pretty sharp, so that's cool. And then the other standard for farmers is these. So you'll see one of these knives stuck in the back of the bike, and he'll have his hoe with his handle holding it over his shoulder as he's riding. It's pretty cool.
I still don't understand what they're into these days.
Yeah, really.
They all watch a lot of YouTube series
Yeah,
that are incredibly just nonsensical.
yeah. But did our parents feel the same way?
Oh yeah, I mean,
Probably.
I know I'm just telling kids to stay off my lawn ultimately. but Of course, generationally, you're always going to think.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
there's-
But I don't know, but I
mean,
think
like,
it's
I feel
even
like I'm an old
more
guy and-
extreme now.
I feel it is getting more extreme, but ultimately, again, I do feel like a guy in horn-rimmed glasses in a suit saying, "What's this satanic praxis?"
yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Fried chicken for your breakfast? The pupala.
Yeah, when I saw that, I had to stop and bear witness. I remember you had mentioned it when we got Somtom
Yeah.
the day before, I guess I've never had Somtom with it in there, but I was curious when you mentioned it, and then witnessing it here, I'm like, yeah, I'm okay without that.
Yeah. กินไม่ได้ครับผมชอบอาหารไทยแต่กินอันนี้ไม่ได้ Was telling them I like Thai food, but I can't eat this stuff.
I think I would eat it
Yeah.
within the Somtom, but
Okay.
I can't say it's looking very appealing at the moment.
No.
กินไม่เป็นครับใช่ค่ะถ่ายรูป
Thai video.
ยังออกดีกว่า
Spicy.
Most spicy, huh?
Yes.
เผ็ดมากฮะอันนี้ไม่ค่อยเผ็ดแต่ไม่ค่อยเผ็ดนะ
เผ็ดแต่ไม่เผ็ด
ใช่ครับ
I feel like
So yeah.
in general, I might be wrong, but generally the smaller the chili, the
That's
more
it.
spicy.
That's it.
Yeah.
If I want to take a treat home for my wife, I'll buy some of these.
That's for jam?
No,
how she-
this is if I want to buy her a treat, She really likes these.
She likes these,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like a steamed mackerel. I can't,
Oh, okay.
I can't stand it.
นี่ชะอม
ชะอม อันนี้เพื่ออะไร
ผัด
อัน
ผั
นี้
ดแคบผัดแกงแค
so จะ
เอาไว้ใส่แกงหมู
the แกงหมู okay so ใส่แกงคารีนะ so this is a
อันนี้เอาไว้ย่างจีน
Gene, this is so you buy this if you're making a particular type of curry, and that's all
That's everything in one.
you got some beans, you got some chili, you got some little these ones here are little eggplant, little bitter eggplants,
Oh, okay.
and
so
then
it's just kind of
the
a
other herbs. So this will be a
little produce grouping.
probably
for
yeah. This is like your packet mix.
ทั้งบ้านมีวันนี้
the freshest of packages.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So you'll get a few. The most common one, she doesn't have it, is for the tom yum soup. And
Yeah,
you'll get a bit of galangal and some chili and some ginger and kaffir lime leaf, things like that, all come together in a little package, and some lemongrass.
Real good.
Spicy? Is it like the sour?
Not too spicy.
Okay.